welcome back y'all to 30 Days 30 Logos. I'm your host David from Grayfish Design, and today we've got an email from your boy Justin Reed. Yo, stoked that you're creating the Austin Run logo. We're a large running event that happens once a year in Austin, Texas. We've had over 5,000 participants last year, and now it's time to get some great branding materials. Austin Run is a charitable event for autism research and raises money for families in need of care, education and information. The event is so much fun and many people dress up in crazy outfits. Last year we had someone dressed as Darth Vader followed by 50 stormtroopers.
Wow.
Anyway, the logo style is really up to you, and we'd love to see what you can come up with. It could feature the Texas state shape, a landmark that represents Austin, something that represents running, or even just a text logo. Feel free to something wacky and fun or something more simple. The grammar with these people is just so bad. Remember Edgar from episode 3 or something? I'm sure we'll love whatever you do. Stay awesome, Justin Reed, Austin Run, charity run for autism. Great concept. Let's go work it out. So I made some sketches where the R is the running man and one where the A is also a running man crossing the finish line. So I set out to make the second sketch because I thought the R was a little bit cliche. So I made the ribbon with the pen tool, and I gave the line various widths with the line width tool, which is Shift W. It's one of my favorite tools, it's just so good. And then I made the running man also with the tool, cheering his arms and his leg going through the ribbon and crossing the finish line. And then I set out to find a font, and I found Swissop 3. It's a really weird font, but I thought it fitted this picture. And I tried making him wear a t-shirt, but that didn't work. So I just left it like this and then made the underneath text, and I wanted to fit the text inside of the ribbon using the envelope distort tool, but it didn't work for some reason, I don't know why. So I just ended up putting it under there. And then I finalized the other concept, which was the R, which was a running man. So I expanded the letters and I made the R look like a running man. Then I put the text charity run for autism underneath it, and I thought, hey, let's give it the colors of Texas. So I grabbed the Texas flag and I gave it the colors and added the star, which is also in the Texan flag. And I gave the R the red color to stand out of the Austin Run. And then I made the black and white versions, and I'm really happy with the final result. I think it's simple, straight to the point, and I think that it captures what it's all about. It's an R running towards a star, towards a goal, towards charity, towards helping people with autism. So let me know what you think of it in the comments below. All the final pictures with the mock-ups can be found on my site, which is also linked below. And please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you tomorrow in the next episode of 30 Days 30 Wowa. Don't know why I did that.